Hello everybody, hope you are good. So in today's video I will be unboxing my Glossybox for the month of December, and yeah, so let's just call it a Glossybox Christmas special because I haven't had a Glossybox subscription for about 3 months now. So without further ado, let's get into this. So if you're not already into Glossybox, or you're not sure what it is, or you've seen that word thrown about a bit but you're still not sure, so Glossybox is a subscription service and you just opt in either monthly, quarterly or yearly, I believe. All the information will be in my description box. All you do is opt in and you just get a box every single month. Now the further out you pay, the more you save in theory, but again, you know, it's really down to your budget. In all the time that I've had my Glossybox, I've always had a roll-in monthly, and I think it came to about £13, £13.50 thereabouts. So £3.95 out of that is for postage and packing, and the rest is for the actual box and its content. So usually you get about £50 worth, but you know, sometimes you do get a month where it's like 100 and something, but then that figure, whatever that amount is, based on the actual on the additional value of all the products according to the retailers themselves. So if you've seen the word RRP thrown about, that's the recommended retail price, and essentially that could mean nothing because it's really the worth, the how much the retailer of the product think the product is worth. And sometimes subscription boxes do inflate that, so do bear that in mind. When you see something that says it's worth £160 but you got it for 20, it's highly likely it was never worth £160. So yeah, with my skeptical little disclaimer out, let's get into the video. So I got my Glossybox. It's a new thing. I got my Glossybox in the mail just today, and I've already recorded this video as well, so this will not be my first impressions. The first video I recorded was actually out of focus and somehow I managed to miss it, so I tried to record it on my phone. I've had to switch my memory card to my camera, so hence the better picture quality. I've gone for the Christmas theme with my Christmas tree in the background. So yeah, drop a like if you like what you're seeing so far. So Glossybox usually ship in these type of boxes, and inside you get either a themed box for that particular month, or you get a plain pastel pink box with Glossybox written on the front. So obviously because it's Christmas, we get Christmas themed box. So this says best time of the year, and inside the box you usually get about 5 products or sometimes 6 products. And you also get a pamphlet telling you what's the theme for the context of the box and what the products are as well. So in terms of the pricing, in terms of the sizing you get, because sometimes you get a deluxe, sometimes you get a mini, sometimes you get a full-size sample, so it's a mixed bag. And what I like about Glossybox, or why I kept the subscription for as long as I did, is because you get a mixture of everything from makeup to beauty to hair care and all sorts. So inside would normally be wrapped nicely, but because I've already filmed this, it's now a mess. So let's get into this as quickly as possible because my battery is about to die. Merry Christmas Glossies, offering the ultimate mix of Christmas parties and cozying up at home. December really is our favorite month, which is why our best time of the year Glossybox is made up of 5 fabulous products that are perfect for these very occasions. With pampering skincare products and Christmas inspired cosmetics, we've thought of everything you need to feel glam this festive season. Love the Glossybox team. The first product is extremely infuriating, and I say that because I already know what it is. This is an eye cream from the brand Symbiosis, and I'm not sure if you can see it with all the lights. So this is what it looks like. And this is a glycolic acid plus RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum, and it's a full-size product. You get 15 ml of product, which is pretty standard, and that is 0.50 fluid ounces. So it says this overnight serum is the ideal treatment for puffy, tired eyes in need of relief. Glycolic acid boosts skin's firmness and addresses blackheads, dullness, and excess oils, while RNA helps skin combat the signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and brown spots. So it also contains mica, by the way, which will help to reflect light. Again, that's an artificial property. That mica is not actually going to do anything for your skin per se, but it will give the appearance of like a blurred texture, like without texture, basically a blurred surface. So because it reflects light. Apparently this eye cream is worth £102. So yeah, that's what's infuriating me, because I don't know anybody that would spend £102 on eye cream, especially in this day and age, in these times, these corona ridden times. I don't know. I'm not going to open this because, one, I'm not into eye cream, and two, because I don't have any issues under my eyes. So I'll see if I can depop this, maybe get my money's worth. I don't know. But yeah, if you've heard of this brand, please drop a comment down below. I would love to know if you know about this brand and if you think this is worth the price. So that's the first item down. Next we have something from the brand Nailberry, and this is the strawberry jam nail polish. It's very similar to, like, I don't know, it's giving me Burberry vibes. So this is the bottle. It's very pretty, and the color is kind of like a plummy pink. Yeah, it's like a plummy pink. So it says, no look would be complete this December without festive inspired fingernails. Cool, confident, and with a dash of old school glamour, this vibrant hue of this dark red pink strawberry jam nail polish is a sublime choice. L'Oxygène polishes are also considerate to your nails' future health, utilizing patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure. So RRP is £15, and this is obviously full size, and it's available at nailberry.co.uk. So yeah, I think I will try this at some point, you know, when I do get some downtime. It's a pretty color. It's a kind of color you would only wear in winter anyway. Next we have something from Wonder Beauty Inc., and this is full size. This is an eye patch. It's eye mask. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these gold under eye masks, perfect for pre-Christmas pampering. A top layer of gold foil allows the serum to penetrate deeply into your skin, whereas the second and third layers ensure the masks stay put and deliver key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin loving benefits you need. Your complexion will instantly appear visibly brighter and more hydrated after use. So one set is £4, the full pack is £20. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to be using this today, but maybe at some point, or I might gift it to somebody. Next we have something from the brand Sport FX. I have seen somebody feature this particular sponge in a video at some point last year, maybe early or mid last year, and it looks really good because it's available in the UK. So it's something that I think you can get from Sports Direct actually. So it's like a sports makeup collection. Yeah, I can't remember who it was that I saw that featured this, but it looks really promising, and I like the fact that the sponge has different sides to it. So, and it's soft enough, so you can imagine how much softer it's going to be when it's wet. So this is the Blend and Go makeup sponge from Sport FX, and it's a full-size sponge. It says, achieving a glowing complexion and a flawless face for your Christmas party looks with this unique 8-sided makeup blended sponge. Whether you're using this skincare whether you're using skincare products or primers, applying foundation and concealer, or adding contour definition with highlighter, there's an angle for your every need. So it says you should just dampen this sponge with water, then apply liquid and cream formulas, or use it dry with powdered products. RRP is $4.99, and you can get it from sportfx.com. And lastly, we have something from Palmer's. So this is a deluxe mini size of the cocoa butter formula original solid jar, and you also have the option of either getting the solid jar or the actual bottle itself. So I got the jar, which I'm actually quite happy about because it's more portable. There's less risk of this spilling. I can chuck this in my bag and just use it while I'm out and about. So it says this this is the cocoa butter formula, and it nourishes your skin during the colder winter months with the help of Palmer's. What am I reading? Nourish your skin during the colder winter months with the help of Palmer's. Both the brands Cocoa Butter Original Solid Jar and All Over Body Lotion contain ethically and sustainably sourced pure cocoa butter, which is enriched with vitamin E. These cult classics not only smooth and relieve dry skin, but also blend marks, scars, and stretch marks. Whichever Palmer's Beauty classic you receive, use after showering to bathe the skin in moisture. So the deluxe mini is 30 grams and it's about £1.50, but the full size is £4.29. So yeah, you can get this from Palmer's, but you can get this at Superdrug or Boots or any of your like local drugstores. So for January, we do get a sneak peek of what's gonna come up in the January box, and apparently it is an e-cooking moisturizing serum worth £22.50, and it's said to be packed with natural ingredients, which will give your skin the hydrating boost it requires. And it's one of those like 30 ml size pipette bottles. Yeah, and so that's it. So my thoughts, like I said in the first time I filmed this video, I'm a bit disappointed. I feel like this overly priced eye cream basically sucked up the whole budget for the Glossybox for December, and it's something I don't even need, so I'm actually enraged. I'm enraged and I'm trying to compose myself, but I guess 3 out of 5 ain't bad. I like the sponge. The nail polish isn't bad, and of course, who's going to be angry at receiving a jar of Palmer's cocoa butter? So yeah, it's fine. I get my money's worth. And actually, when I got this box as well, I got it with a discount code because I was unsubscribed. So when you unsubscribe, you become a new customer all over again, and I just used a discount code, and I got this box for £8.50. Anytime you're not, like, I've been unsubscribed for like 3 months now, so yeah, I'm technically a new customer all over again. So yeah, I think I will give this out to a friend. I'm not in the market for eye products right now. Maybe, I don't know, if my eyes start showing serious deep wrinkles, then I'll go, you know, figure out what to do with them. But right now my under eyes are absolutely fine. They don't need anything really. So yeah, 3 out of 5 is not bad. These, in fact, if I had to really pick, it would probably be 2. But I mean, nail polish at this time of year, it's a plummy pinky red. It's fine. I will try it, and hopefully it should be a formula that actually lasts as well. I hope it doesn't chip on the second day or something. But that is everything I got in my Glossybox for the month of December. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. So on this channel, I do a mixture of different videos: hair care, beauty, skincare, all that good stuff. Until next time, stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.